Understanding the phrase, kick in the head. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom, kick in the head. While it might sound a bit alarming at first, this phrase carries more meaning and subtlety than you might expect. Let's explore its different uses, connotations, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Initially, it's important to understand the literal meaning of kick in the head. As the word suggests, it refers to an actual, physical blow to someone's head. However, in conversational English, it's rarely used to describe an actual event. Instead, it's more often found in metaphorical or idiomatic expressions. Subsection 2.1. A sudden or shocking surprise. In a figurative sense, a kick in the head often describes an event that is surprisingly unpleasant or shocking. For example, if someone says, "Losing my job was a real kick in the head," they mean that it was an unexpected and distressing experience. Subsection 2.2. A wake-up call. Sometimes, kick in the head can also mean a sudden realization or awakening. If someone has been ignoring their problems and something happens to make them face reality, that situation can be described as a kick in the head. Now, let's look at how you can use this phrase. Remember, while it's a colorful expression, it's best used in informal settings. Here are a few examples. 1. Negative surprise. Finding out the truth about the company's finances was like a kick in the head. 2. Realization. After failing the first test, the importance of studying more seriously was a real kick in the head. It's important to note that idioms like kick in the head can carry different connotations in different cultures. In some contexts, it might be considered too aggressive or harsh. Always consider your audience and whether the idiom is appropriate for the situation and culture. We hope this video has been a helpful exploration of the phrase, kick in the head. As you can see, idioms in English can be quite colorful and convey more than just their literal meanings. Remember to use them appropriately and with consideration for the setting and your audience. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.